Singapore, a socio-economic landscape analysis. Welcome to our exploration of Singapore, a thriving city-state and a global economic power. Today, we dive into its unique socio-economic landscape. Singapore's journey began as a British trading post in the 19th century. Since independence in 1965, it has seen rapid economic growth and development. This growth is largely driven by exports and refining imported goods. Today, Singapore boasts one of the busiest ports in the world. Despite its small size, Singapore is a financial giant. It's considered one of the world's foremost financial hubs, with a robust banking sector. Gross Domestic Product, GDP, of Singapore. The GDP of Singapore was worth $466.79 billion in 2022. This represented a 10.14% increase from 2021. The GDP per capita of Singapore in 2022 was $82,808. Status of international trade of Singapore. In 2022, Singapore's total merchandise trade surged by 17.7% to $1.4 trillion, up from $1.2 trillion in 2021. Oil trade expanded by 47.5% amidst higher oil prices compared to a year ago, while non-oil trade grew by 11.9%. Merchandise exports and imports increased by 15.6% and 20.1% respectively. Total services trade rose robustly by 10.8% to $758 billion in 2022, from $684 billion in 2021. Services exports and imports increased by 12.1% and 9.3% respectively in 2022. Education is a cornerstone of Singapore's success. The government's substantial investment in education has cultivated a skilled and adaptable workforce. The top two universities in Singapore are National University of Singapore, NUS. Founded in 1980, NUS is Singapore's top-ranked institution. It has a number 1 overall Asian ranking at number 11 global ranking. Nanyang Technological University, NTU, is a highly ranked publicly funded university in Singapore known for extensive research in various fields, including engineering, business, humanities, arts and social sciences, and medicine. International students in Singapore come from various countries in the Asia-Pacific region, like India and Nepal. With low unemployment rates and high GDP per capita, Singapore exemplifies a successful high-income economy. Residents enjoy a high standard of living. However, this success comes with challenges, including income inequality. While many prosper, lower-income groups can struggle to keep pace with the cost of living. To address this, Singapore has extensive social welfare programs helping to mitigate inequality. These include housing subsidies and comprehensive health care. Culturally, Singapore is incredibly diverse. Its population is a mix of Chinese, Malay, Indian, and other ethnic groups living in harmony. This diversity is also evident in policymaking, aimed at maintaining racial and religious harmony, crucial in such a mixed society. Environmentally, Singapore faces issues like urban heat and limited resources, but it's a leader in green urban planning and sustainable development. Thank you for joining us in examining the socio-economic profile of Singapore. It's a nation that's small in size, but enormous in its economic and cultural impact.